Alright, now question number 1. Given that y over h equal to x square plus k over x and graph of x cube against xy there, and then question asks us find values of h and k. Okay, here is the chapter linear law with 6.2 linear law and non-linear relation. Okay, right here you can see when you are in your exam paper, when you see a graph of xy against x cube, that is not x against y as usual, so that it is from the chapter of linear law. And for the chapter linear law, you must remind that it is has a big relation between linear and non-linear. Okay, question now, y over x equation y over h equal to x square plus k over x is non-linear. Okay, why it is non-linear? Because in this graph we have a straight line graph. Okay, straight line is a linear. Okay, straight line is a linear. To make it a linear, okay, this graph become linear when the x-axis is x cube and y-axis is xy. Okay, xy value. And then when you refer to the question, it is on the y value. It is based on y equal to mx plus c. Okay, value of y is not xy, but it is y over h. So now from the equation y over h equal to x square plus k over x, okay, you want to transfer in this form y equal to mx plus c, where your y is xy and your x is x cube, because it is already given in the diagram. Okay, so the diagram x-axis and y-axis value will be your guideline. Okay, how to aim your answer. Okay, right now we start the solution by transfer from this non-linear equation into linear equation. Okay, now we start by write the equation like this: y over h equal to x square plus k over x. Okay, and then put the bracket. I put the bracket to show to you that when we change, we must change everything in the left and right side. Okay, first is look at the y part. Okay, y part, y-axis. Okay, y-axis value can be term x, can be term y. Okay, can be x term and y term with the square, third, plus or minus, it can be. But for the axis, it only can be term x. Okay, term x only with the number, with the plus, minus, third, and fraction. And x-axis cannot have y. Okay, cannot have y. So then when you have a non-linear equation, you must put y only for the y-axis. Okay, so that this non-linear equation, for the starting, we have to put y on the y part. That is based on y equal to mx plus c. Y is on the left side. So that look at the y part. Y part is y over h. Okay, y over h we want to convert into xy. Okay, as mentioned here. Okay, y-axis from a non-linear to linear. Non-linear is y over h, linear is xy. So that class, y over h, want to convert to xy, we have to do what? Y over h we have to multiply by x h. Okay, we have to multiply by xh so that h can be cut off. Okay, h can be cut off like this, then the answer will be xy. Okay, so now we have to multiply all this with xh. Okay, now we try to do multiply all this by xh, right? Okay, so y over h multiply by xh and then equal to x square also multiply by xh plus k over x multiply xh. Okay, continue. We cut off whatever can. H cut off become xy equal to x cube h plus kx, right? Kh, wait. Kh. Okay. So here is our linear equation. Okay, and then we notice where is y equal to mx plus c. Now is y equal to mx plus c, right? Okay, right here, this one is sure y part. Okay, x cube and h and kh. Okay, kh is constant. Okay, so it is c, y-intercept. Okay, x cube and h, as mentioned in the diagram, x-axis is x cube, so that x cube is x part, and besides is the gradient. H is gradient, and y-intercept is kh. So that now question us value of h and k, so that h can get from gradient. Now we do here h equal to gradient. The gradient is based on the coordinate given. This is coordinate 0, 6, right? Okay, 0, 6 and 3, 4. From 0, 6 and 3, 4, the gradient is 6 minus 4 divided by 0 minus 3 equal to 2 over negative 3. So this is value of h. And then c, y-intercept. Y-intercept is equal to 6 based on the diagram. Okay, based on the diagram here, y-intercept is 6, so kh is 6, k negative 2 over 3 equal to 6, then k will be equal to 18 divided by negative 2 equal to negative 18 over 2 equal to negative 9. Alright. So here is the answer of h and k.